Hello everyone. In the series now this is the presentation number 6 which is related to the salts. जैसे salt बोला क्या चीज़ दिमाग में आती है? Common salt, नमक. तो is there any only one salt? No, of course not. All the substances which are formed by the combination of an acid and a base, they are collectively known as salt. So now we will be discussing some salts, how the salt are formed and what type of salts are there. Remember, we have already studied about the acids and bases, their chemical properties. Whenever the acids and bases react, they form a salt. So now let's move forward. I hope you all must have seen the previous presentation. Just to recall, हमने previous topic में पढ़ा था how pH is affecting our life. During indigestion, we take antacid tablets which are containing mild bases. Similarly, for the soil treatment, अगर soil acidic है तो we must add some base. अगर soil alkaline है तो we must add humus or manure. Insect stings, they inject formic acid, so it can be neutralized by rubbing the affected area with a mild base. Similarly, factory waste or the acid rain, they may harm the aquatic organisms. They make the survival of the aquatic organisms difficult by lowering down the pH of the aquatic bodies. So this all we have already studied. Now let's move forward to the another topic, that is salts. Okay, now so what are salts? Salts are formed as a product of a neutralization reaction. And what is neutralization reaction? Whenever acid and base react to form salt and water, this reaction is called a neutralization reaction. So how can we define salt? Salts are the ionic compounds which contain positively charged cations and negatively charged anions. Always remember, जब भी salt बनता है, cation यानी जो metal ion है, cations positively charged ion, it comes from the base like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. तो उसका जो metal ion है, that will be the cation, and anion comes from the acid which combines with the base. Okay, तो again I am repeating, in any salt cation कहाँ से आता है? Base से, और anion, that is a negative radical, negative ion, that comes from the acid. So now let's do some exercise. Okay, so here is an exercise for you. You just have to recall the knowledge of your cations and anions and identify the parent acid and the parent base over here. तो पहला salt कौन सा है? Potassium sulfate. What will be the formula of this potassium sulfate? Potassium K sulfate SO4. तो formula of the potassium sulfate will be K2SO4. अब क्या बताया? जो metal cation है, it is coming from the base. यानी पोटेशियम किस में से आ रहा है? बेस में से आ रहा है. बेस में क्या होते हैं? हाइड्रोक्साइड आयंस होते हैं. तो पेरेंट बेस कौन सा हो गया इसमें? KOH, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. और सल्फेट इज एन एनायन, तो सल्फेट किस में से आ जाएगा? एसिड में से आएगा. और एसिड्स में क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन आयंस होते हैं. तो सल्फेट आयन में हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर देंगे, कौन सा एसिड बन जाएगा? सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. Now identify the nature of the acid and base both. Parent acid, sulfuric acid, it is strong. Potassium hydroxide is also strong. तो जब दोनों चीज़ें strong है, acid और base both are strong, the nature of the salt will be neutral. रिमेंबर, जो चीज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी सॉल्ट का नेचर वैसा ही होगा. हम अभी तक क्या कह रहे हैं कि सॉल्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शंस. तो ऑल द सॉल्ट्स मस्ट बी न्यूट्रल. शुड इट बी लाइक दैट? नो, नेवर. ओनली न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स कब होंगे? जब एसिड्स और बेसिस या तो दोनों स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं या वीक हैं. अदरवाइज जो भी इनमें से स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा दैट विल डिसाइड द नेचर ऑफ द सॉल्ट. So in this manner you can complete this table, identify the parent acid, parent base, their nature, and that will help you in determining the nature of the salt. Is it okay? So now just apply this knowledge and we can classify the salts now into three types: acidic salts, basic salts, and another one is the neutral salts. So there are three types of salts, and now you know कि how these acidity or basicity will is going to be decided. So let's discuss the types of salts one by one. First one are the acidic salts. Now you know acidic salts are formed by the combination of a strong acid and a weak base. और उनकी pH क्या हो जाएगी? क्योंकि एसिडिक सॉल्ट्स हैं तो देयर pH विल बी लेस देन 7. आई हैव टेकन टू एग्जांपल्स ओवर हियर. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड combines with the weak base like ammonium hydroxide. ध्यान रखना, cation comes from the base and anion comes from the acid. So the formula of salt will be NH4Cl or ammonium chloride. Similarly, nitric acid combines with magnesium hydroxide, which is again a weak base. The salt formed will be magnesium nitrate. Always check the valencies of the cations and anions and write the correct formula. So ammonium chloride, magnesium nitrate, these are some of the examples of the acidic salts. Next are the basic salts, which are formed by the combination of a strong base and weak acids, and their pH will be greater than 7. So again, let's discuss these examples. Strong bases, remember sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, they are the strong bases. They combine with a weak acid like carbonic acid. So the salt formed will be sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. This is a basic salt. Similarly, potassium hydroxide combined with acetic acid. Remember again, acetic acid is a weak acid. So the salt formed will be potassium acetate with the formula CH3COO. Check it, this is an anion, CH3COO negative acetate ion combines with potassium is the cation K plus. So the formula of potassium acetate is CH3COOK. Another type of salts are the neutral salts. Now there are two conditions which may result in the formation of the neutral salts. First one, when a strong acid react with a strong base like HCl, strong acid, combines with a strong base like KOH, potassium hydroxide, it will result in the formation of potassium chloride. Similar to sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide combined with HCl to form a sodium chloride. इसीलिए हम खा सकते हैं because sodium chloride is a neutral salt. It is neither acidic nor basic. Another reaction, that is between a weak acid with a weak base, ये क्या बनाएगा? This will also form the neutral salt. See over here, acetic acid combined with ammonium hydroxide, both are weak in nature. It will result in the ammonium acetate. So this is also a neutral salt. तो neutral salts की pH क्या होगी? It will always around 7 pH. So what are the general properties of salts? You can imagine sodium chloride. Okay, keep it in mind. Most of these salts are crystalline solids. सॉल्ट का भी क्रिस्टल होता है. इफ यू हैव सीन दैट खड़ा नमक, मोटा नमक, वॉट एवर इट इज, द सॉल्ट्स में बी ट्रांसपेरेंट और ओपेक. मोस्ट ऑफ दी सॉल्ट्स आर soluble in water. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सॉल्ट्स कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करने के लिए क्या करना है? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर देयर मस्ट बी द आयनाइजेशन. तो ऑफकोर्स द सॉल्ट्स कंटेन कैटायन एंड एनायन. तो जब भी आप वाटर में ब्रेक करोगे क्या हो जाएगा? दे विल आयनाइज इनटू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव आयंस एंड दिस हेल्प इन द कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कब कंडक्ट होगी? ऑलवेज आइदर इन द एक्वा सॉल्यूशन और इन द मोल्टेन स्टेट. द सॉल्ट्स में बी साल्टी, सार, स्वीट, बिटर और umami. न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स आर ओडरलेस. कॉमन सॉल्ट की कोई स्मेल नहीं होती है. रिमेंबर, सॉल्ट्स कैन बी कलरलेस और कलर्ड. अगर कॉपर सल्फेट का क्रिस्टल देखा हो तो उसका कलर कैसा होता है? इट इज ब्लू इन कलर. फेरस सल्फेट इज ग्रीन इन कलर. So all these are also the salts. So there are some salts which are colorless while some are colored. Let's summarize whatever we have studied till now. Strong acid, strong base result in the formation of a neutral salt, while strong acid combine with weak base to form an acidic salt. Weak acid combines with a strong base to form a basic salt, while again weak acid and weak base combine to form a neutral salt. ध्यान रखेंगे, एसिड या बेस में से विचएवर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, सॉल्ट का नेचर भी वैसा ही होगा. और एसिडिक सॉल्ट का मतलब ये नहीं है कि दे आर हाईली एसिडिक, उनकी पीएच बिल्कुल 1 और 2 होगी. It will be lesser than 7, and that again depends on the pH of the acid as well as on the pH of a base. Okay, so this presentation is over. Next presentation will be related to some common salts. So please, if you have some comments, feel free and like and subscribe.